Hi there, Barbie lovers! Welcome back to Busy Bee from Germany. I'm Busy Bee from Germany, and today I'd like to reopen the Barbie Repair Cafe because we have a guest that needs our help, and this is my Mexican Great Shapes Barbie who has a neck split, and let's repair this today. But before we start, let me ask you one question. What do you know about coffee beans? I just wanted to show you my coffee bean harvest. I harvested several coffee beans in the last weeks, and I thought it might be interesting for you because you don't see this every day. And so we have here our little green coffee beans, and they come in this kind of hull. I already removed some of the hulls, and this is where they grow in. This is a cherry, but this cherry is dried up, kind of dried up, and when you remove the skin you get this kind of yellowish bean, and when you remove the second hull, then you get the little green coffee beans. I thought it would be a great attunement to start with the coffee bean harvest because coffee beans and this Barbie both come from Mexico. Let's start the repair by removing her clothes because we have to put her head in a bowl with hot water, and I don't want to get her clothes to become wet. I prepared a bowl with hot water here because I want to remove the head safely. I have seen that a split here has started in her head, so let's remove her in a safe way and put her in there for 1 or 2 minutes until the head is soft and we can remove it in a safe way. She's super hot, so I'm going to wait a few seconds until I take the head off, and here we go. So that's our head. So the head already popped out of my body here. Did not want to do it in that fast, but it happened, and yeah, here's the head, simply popped out. I had not a lot to do here. My water somehow is yellow. I don't know why. I don't know if you see this in the cam, but this is yellow, and I put the head here aside. I have to get this joint out once again because I want to put it in an end paper. Oops. End paper is not cooperative today. So because here's the broken piece that we want to melt to the body, and put this aside. I want to be sure that we don't glue the joint here into the body, and that's why I put an end paper around, because I can remove it tomorrow again. That's no big thing, but it helps to separate the two parts. And now this is a very easy repair. We put this really aside and towel too, and we put the head over there. So this is how it has to go into the body again, and we will fix this with a little help of MEK. I have already made a video about MEK before. You asked me what MEK is. I will put you the link in the description so that you find everything I know about this stuff. This is a solvent and we are going to use it to get the broken out part back on the neck, so that we can hopefully put the doll together tomorrow again, because this stuff needs 24 hours to dry completely. So now let's start. I have here my pair of tweezers because it will make it easier to hold the broken part here in my hands. So we are one day later back here, and as you can see, I can move here my neck joint in the head. I just want to get rid here of this. Here's our body, and now let's put our head here in the water for 2 minutes. It's hot water again today. And now let's put the head back on. Here it is. And her head is not wobbly anymore, and the doll is finished. Now she is complete again. And you can hardly see that we have worked on the neck, because it becomes kind of invisible when you put the head back on the neck, and yeah, that's what happens. So let's put her outfit back on. My dear viewers, thank you for staying until the end of this video. Here's my Mexican Great Shapes Barbie and she's repaired now. Please tell me in the comments below, what are your experiences with broken Barbie necks? And please don't forget to share, like and subscribe. See you very, very soon. Your Busy Bee from Germany. Bye!